How to unrestrict a profile on Instagram. You probably once restricted a profile, and now you want to remove it from that list. If you want to know how, stay until the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open Instagram. When Instagram opens, tap on our profile icon. When the profile page opens, tap on the three lines in the upper right corner. This will open our profile settings. Here we need to go through the list until we find the restricted option. When you find it, tap on it. On the next screen, tap Next. After that, a list of restricted profiles will open. If you have more, you can always search for them by typing the name in the search field. When you find an account that you want to remove from this list, simply tap the Unrestrict button and the account will be removed from this list. That's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.